You guys, the time is finally here. Good morning. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Guess what I got? It's actually not that exciting, but it's so exciting to me. I got another fucking camera from, or another battery for my camera. My battery dies so much, and I just like can't film because I only have one battery. So I got another one. Let's make sure it's the right one. I think so. How do I check it? Because you're on my camera. Oh my god, yay! Yes! Okay, fuck yeah. It's really only 10:30. This is like the earliest I've woken up all week. And usually I like work out right away, but I kind of want to scroll. Like I kind of want to. You know, it's like a little treat.
Just a bunch of sleepy boys. Like literally the most sleepiest boys. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Okay.
I don't give a fuck. I don't feel like working out this morning because I want to be like more active in the later part of my day, which I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm gonna eat breakfast right now and kind of have like just a little slower start, and then my eyes always water in the morning. I don't know what we're gonna get up to today. I know that we have an exciting stream tonight. Let me show you for everyone watching. New angle unlocked. We are trying every single Girl Scout cookie. I am most excited for these ones. Bye. I've heard these are good, but I've never tried them, so we're gonna try those. These kind of look good, just like the regular shortbread. These I'm excited for. Toffee-tastic. Okay, gluten-free too. Also, whatever leftover cookies I have, I can bring to my girls tomorrow. This is super unfortunate. How do I... Is it in my food? I hope not. Does it look like it is? No fucking way it is. Do I need to remake these? Oh fuck. Okay, the situation is cleaned up and I have 2 more hash browns going, but I just threw them in here because I didn't know what to fucking do with them. Anyway, I made whipped coffee because we're out of Nespresso pods, which I need to order them. I'm gonna put this on here because it's gonna be gold. Time to do makeup, except I need to get my chair from the game room, which is gonna be a hassle because there's a bunch of shit in the hallway, but that's fine. Also, Trevor's grandpa moved the cows into the field next to our house, so now every day I can look at the cows from my makeup room. Oh my god, it's so zoomed in. Vlog, we decided I'm doing my makeup today. I'll update you guys. Also, I fucking hit this thing so the makeup better turn out good or else. This is the face of someone realizing that I actually have to go to fucking Sephora to buy a refill of my favorite concealer because I'm almost out. I'm gonna cry. This shit's expensive. Y'all, I might have ate this one up. Look at my eyes. Let me look down. Bitch. And the titties out as an accessory. I'm like 100% feeling myself right now, if you can't tell. I'm so hungry, so I'm literally gonna go get food right now with Trevor. And I'm also gonna film something really secretive and exciting, and I'll let you guys know if I hear anything more from it, but that's all I can say. Ooh! Ooh, we got Chick-fil-a. Here's what we're doing. I got little chicken nuggets and fries. Chicken nuggets. I didn't get a fork, fuck me. Okay, this is before I mix it. Thumbnail. Shit, it's not big enough. Trevor's slowly turning back into himself right now.
Slowly.
We're gonna get some coffee, but by coffee I probably mean energy drink. Yeah, thanks for coming to our mukbang.
Chick-fil-a mukbang.
We got this coffee place. Oh, it doesn't. Anyway, it's next to Vancouver Mall. If you've been to Vancouver Mall, I think it's called Gravity. The lady was so nice. She kept complimenting me on my makeup. I was like, thank you, queen. Anyway. Oh. Pino mino. Let's go to Total Wine tomorrow. Okay, we're going into Hobby Lobby now.
I like when you hit that because I can hit that. I can hit this.
Next episode, or I mean, next cookie we're trying is this one.
Quick, after the quick smoke break.
After our last commercial was done. Welcome back.
Wait, we have to film the commercial real quick.
We are not going to come back from that one.
Yes, we will. Yes, we will.
You are a little dirty fucking dog. And that is why we continue with the taste test, alright? Oh my god, that was in my vlog too. Oh my god, we got 2 angles of that.